of Karnataka and IT capital of India. 164 pairs of express trains and 109 pairs of passenger trains are dealt from two stations in Bengaluru city, namely KSR Bengaluru Junction and Yeshwanthpur Junction. There is a consistent demand to introduce more number of express trains connecting Bengaluru. To meet the same, a new coaching terminal was planned at Biypanahalli in the heart of the city. This third coaching terminal was sanctioned in the year 2015 and 2016. The coaching terminal is named after Bharat Ratna Sri Visvesvaraya, who was an engineer par excellence and contributed tremendously to nation building. The terminal is getting ready for opening by the end of February 2021 at an anticipated cost of Rs 314 crores. Once this terminal is operational, more long-distance trains from Bengaluru to other metros like Mumbai and Chennai, and also trains connecting Bengaluru to all districts within Karnataka can be run. This coaching terminal will help decongesting KSR Bengaluru and Yeshwanthpur stations. Modern station building with centralized air conditioning and airport-like facade has been constructed. State-of-art passenger amenities are being provided to make journey a pleasant experience. The station building has 4,200 square meters covered area to cater for the daily footfall of an estimated 50,000 passengers. The terminal has 7 platforms apart from 8 stabling lines and 3 pit lines. 50 trains can be operated from here daily. Following facilities have been planned to be provided in this terminal. Grand Canopy over station building concourse on lines of Bengaluru Airport. Fully air-conditioned entrance lobby. Well-marked parking space for an approximate 250 four-wheelers, 900 two-wheelers, 50 autos, 5 covered city buses stand and 20 cabs. Well-designed landscape in circulating area. Upper class waiting hall for ladies and gents with digital real-time passenger information system. Reserved VIP lounge, food court, escalators, lifts connecting all platforms to facilitate passenger movement to all the 7 platforms. Foot-over bridge connecting all platforms along with 2 subways wide each, connecting 7 platforms. All berthing tracks covered with CC aprons for better maintainability and cleanliness. State-of-art station train operation control panel. 3 pit lines, 120-meter long parcel siding, 8 stabling lines. SCADA system for efficient water management. Water recycling plant of 4 lakh litre capacity. Rainwater harvesting to move towards water neutrality. Entire track structure is equivalent to 21 kilometers with electric traction with a total 21 tracks in the yard. Electrical substation to cater to 1750 kVA of commercial load and 3000 kVA of industrial load.